you say, because remember exactly the TV. Yeah, go.
This is Master Elliot, and we will be talking about his sailing. How long have you been sailing?
Optimus, 3 years. Other boats, rest of my life.
Ellie?
What type of boat have you been sailing?
For 3 years, Optimus, and for about a month and a bit, Manny Juniors.
What is your
favorite thing about sailing?
What is your favorite thing about sailing?
Getting wet and capsizing and swimming.
What is a sailing regatta?
It's where you compete against other boats and do more than one race.
So, I know you did the New South Wales State Championship regatta.
I know you did
The New South Wales.
the New South Wales State
Championships.
Regatta.
How did you do in that?
How did you do in that?
First race I came about last place. Last race I came third place.
How did you do?